Hi, John Barnett, Country Property Specialist. Today we're at 685 Ocean View Road, Te Aroha, Mangawhai, on a property that will have something for everybody. Let's go and check it out.
Superbly positioned in the heart of Te Aroha, close to Mangawhai, popular surf and swimming beaches, great fishing, world-renowned golf courses, Tomarata Lakes, and just over an hour to Auckland, is this 120-hectare grazing property. Its fertile, flat to undulating contour has been well subdivided into 66 paddocks and linked by an extensive limestone race network. As a former dairy farm, it has a full set of farm infrastructure already in place, including a 30-a-side herringbone milking shed, an undercover set of cattle yards, a calf shed, a bore, and a cute recently renovated 3-bedroom character bungalow. With spectacular views over Whangarei Heads, Mangawhai Heads, Hen and Chicken Islands and Little Barrier, this property provides the perfect balance of peaceful rural coastal living and easy access to urban amenities. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise in this highly sought-after location. Give John a call today.